Hello, I am Anthony. We are continuing the Food Manufacturing Hazard Series with Episode 10. Today, we are looking at Noise-Induced Hearing Loss, NIHL, in food manufacturing. We will cover how NIHL happens, what the UK and US law requires employers to do, and how to apply the hierarchy of controls from engineering solutions down to hearing protection. It also addresses health surveillance, worker training, and the communication risks NIHL creates in a food safety environment. Let us get into it. Noise-induced hearing loss is the most common and most preventable occupational disease in food manufacturing. The damage develops slowly, and workers often do not notice until it is permanent. 75% of UK civil claims are for hearing loss, and 27 million US workers are exposed to hazardous noise daily. To prevent damage, we must understand how sound travels. Sound waves enter the canal, vibrate the eardrum, and are converted into signals by cochlear hair cells. Excessive noise physically destroys these cells, which do not regenerate. Hearing loss is permanent. Everyday food production equipment exceeds legal limits. Wheeled trolleys and racks can reach 107 decibels, well above the upper action value of 85. Blast chillers, bowl choppers, and bottling lines all present significant risks requiring engineering controls. Do not ignore the warning signs. If you must raise your voice at arm's length, the noise is too high. Tinnitus or muffled hearing after a shift are critical warnings. Remember, getting used to the noise is not the same as being protected from it. UK law, through the Control of Noise at Work Regulations 2005, sets a lower action value of 80 decibels and an upper value of 85. Employers have a legal duty to reduce noise via engineering controls and provide health surveillance whenever these limits are reached. In the US, OSHA 29 CFR 1910.95 sets the action level at 85 decibels for a hearing conservation program. NIOSH uses a more protective standard of 85 decibels over 8 hours, with a stricter 3 decibel exchange rate to have permitted exposure time. You cannot judge noise risk by ear. Proper measurement using personal dosimetry is a legal requirement and a practical necessity. Assessment must happen whenever there is new machinery, process changes, or worker reports of muffled hearing. PPE is the last line of defense. Apply the hierarchy of controls. First, eliminate or substitute noise sources. Then, implement engineering and administrative controls. Under UK law, hearing protection must supplement engineering controls, not replace them. Audiometry is an early warning system. OSHA requires a baseline audiogram within 6 months of exposure, followed by annual checks. If deterioration is found, you must review the risk assessment, check existing controls, and redeploy the worker if necessary. Workers must be trained on what NIHL is, the specific risk areas on site, and how to use PPE correctly. Under UK law, workers have the right to free hearing protection at 80 decibels and must be provided it once noise hits 85. Use the compliance framework as your site checklist. It covers everything from dosimetry to record keeping. Also, consider special risks in food manufacturing like ototoxic chemicals and impulse noise from air knives, which can worsen hearing damage significantly. NIHL impairs speech understanding, creating direct safety risks around allergen calls and emergency alarms. Thank you for watching. If this video was useful, share it with your team. Subscribe to the Toolbox Ready HSE channel on YouTube. Nobody gets hurt, everybody stays healthy. See you in the next one.